Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how to register in free code camp. Let me go to the website. We type free code camp and then this link will open. After opening this link, you can see the right corner top there is a menu, and if you want to sign in, you can sign in here. Actually, I have signed in previously, so I sign out first. So now you can sign in like this. If you sign in, it will ask like continue with Google or else email address, new email address. You just click continue with Google if you already have an account, and I am signing with my account. Now it is taking my Gmail ID already, which is signed with Google. Now you can see already I have signed in, and now there is an option called curriculum. So click here, curriculum. So it says progress towards donation goal and 57%. So donation, you can donate, otherwise you can go directly with certified full stacker development curriculum here in this option. After clicking this, it will show you how far you have completed the complete course details: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front end libraries, and complete package it has. So you can see in HTML I have completed all these steps one by one. Friends, please don't skip any session so that you will learn completely. And if you come to know that step by step, then it will be easy for your designing development. So now in this video I will tell you, if you have any error code in your program, how to solve it. So for example, for that I'm taking accessibility, semantics. I think I have completed forms and tables. Yes, workshop. See, this is the last coding I have done. Build a hotel feedback form. This is a general normal feedback form. So if you go here, you can see step 36. So these are all the programs. It will ask you how to proceed with this. You can see in the right side, hotel feedback form. This is the form. This is the form I have coded with HTML codes. All this I have learned from free code camp only. I have not having any issues with this. So first you want to know how to solve any errors. For example, see here, for the last step in the hotel feedback form workshop, you will need to add a submit button to the form. Suppose you don't know how to code this, you just screenshot this page. For example, you can press shift windows and yes key together, and you take this uh, screenshot and just go to chat GPT. If you have not signed in, you have to sign in chat GPT, and you just go there. See, I have already have the account in chat GPT, so you can paste control V, you can paste this, and it is uploading here. And here you can see the black arrow mark. Click this, it will generate the code for you. See, this is the code. Button type, this is the code. Actually, this is the code you want to use here for completion of your coding. I'm doing is copy code here, and just you uh, paste it here. You can see the submit button is coming here now. Then you can ask to check your code. If you check your code, see, congratulations, your code passes, submit your code to continue. So now I have completed 100% of this hotel feedback form. Friends, like this you can practice this HTML code completely. And see, this is the hotel feedback form in HTML, and then you will learn about survey form, tables, then so many coding programs. Finally you will complete with HTML. After, you need to start with CSS. In CSS there are so many topics, like you will learn completely. You will not feel that you are skipping any syllabus of this program. Then you will learn JavaScript front end libraries. Up to front end libraries, I think it is available. They have said in Python, see, coming fall 2025 it will come definitely, because you can see in their website, like many of them are following it, and it is a good website to learn, and it is completely free. You don't want to worry about that, how will I learn very fast, and then how will I pay money for it. See, you have to practice it on a daily basis. You have to start this coding program. Don't skip to another class immediately without learning or without seeing their lecture video. First see their lecture video, and they will ask for your answers also to pass that syllabus. If you skip that video, then you will feel like discomfort, that you will not able to answer the question, and you will feel like something not understandable. So first you learn it, and watch the video, and watch the lectures, and practice this code completely. Because I used to learn this every day, at least half an hour. So it will be very good. And this also, they have said that don't study or learn in a 1 day or 2 day completely, so that it will make not in a proper way. You need to learn it by a daily basis, and you can practice as many as times you want, no problem on that. See, I want to learn UI and UX. So I come to know, like you cannot go to a UI UX directly without a programming knowledge. So I started this certified full stack developer curriculum, and first I need to learn with HTML, which is the basic structure for the website, and then I need to learn CSS. It will help you to style your beautification your website, and then JavaScript to connect with your databases and front end libraries, function your codings, then Python. All this will help you to design your complete website. Then if you learn UI UX, then it will be helpful for you. Since I know Photoshop and CorelDRAW, the designing softwares you might have already known. So by learning this website codings and UI UX, definitely your technical skills will develop, and you will get a good job. So this is thing I want to share it in this video. In coming video I will tell you what are all the things I have faces during this free code camp. Still now it is very good, and please practice every day on daily basis, and we will see you on next video. Thank you.